Okay, welcome to our second floor. This is my room. The bed. Dito kami nagluluto, dear. Ito yung aming pugon. This is our kulon. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our old house. This is the house of Lola Beata and Tatay Ponso.
For today's mini vlog, ipapakita natin kay Jan ang aming lumang bahay dito sa probinsya. Ito ang bahay kung saan ako lumaki for 16 years. Excited ako dahil first time kong dinala si Jan dito. Mayroon din tayong konting salo-salo mamaya kasama ang kapamilya.
Ikutin natin ang buong bahay. Okay, heads up lang, medyo gabok na itong bahay na to. Kaya very old naman ang bahay na to. So, tara dear, let's go here. Ito si Jan. So, I'm with Ate Rubilin. Tatlo kasi kami dito ang nakatira.
Ayan, so bali tatlo kami, ang parang anak-anakan ng aming lola dati, si Ate Rubilin at si Julius.
Tapos, actually ito, ano na to extension na to din, no? Hindi na ito ang original kasi extension lang ito. So ito yung aming receiving area. Pag may dumating na mga bisita, dito natin i-welcome. Papasok sila dito here. So in the province there, anay binay among lingkuranan.
Pasensya na kayo sa mga iro nga nangilke, guys. Ayan, kung mapapansin ito ating upuan, guys, it can accommodate up to, I think, 40 to 50 people. Ayan, ganito ang style, no? Kadalasan ng mga upuan dito sa aming probinsya.
This is our old TV. Ibutang na lang dali, guys, kaya it's not working naman anymore.
You sure?
Ha?
Plug it in. Maybe.
Ha? Pasimubuto din.
Ayan na guys, ang ating lumang TV, I think LG ito. Siguro tumagal ito ng mahigit 15 years bago nasira. Ayan, actually, nung bata pa kami guys, no, wala talaga kaming TV. So nakikinood lang kami sa TV ng aming kapitbahay. Kaya nung medyo maganda-ganda ang ani, no, bumili na din kami ng TV. Siguro 2000 or 2001 namin nabili ang TV na ito. Kaya may sentimental value talaga ito guys. Kaya kahit na hindi ito gumagana guys, hindi pa rin namin tinatapon. Oh, di ba? Naging hoarder na talaga guys. So ayan, dyan lang yan siya sa labas guys. Siguro may mga buti-bakal na kukuha niyan. Bilhin nyo.
So, rich. Okay, this one is a big tataran. This is the big chopping board. Chopping board, but it's made of wood. So if we have big parties here, this is very perfect.
Ayan, may nakita na ng mga lumang gamit ang aking Ate Rubilin na ano kaya ito? Ay, ito yung karaang sanggot guys. Ito yung ginagamit nila kapag gagawa ng suka, ayan guys, or coconut wine or tuba guys. Ayan, ito yung ginagamit nila na pananggot sa lubi. Napakaluma na talaga nito guys. I think more than 20 years na din ito na nakatago. Hindi pa rin namin tinatapon kasi nga may mga sentimental value nga itong mga gamit namin. Antique na ba?
Okay, let's go inside na. Okay, papasok na tayo. Dear, leave your slippers. Leave your slippers.
Ganito sa probinsya guys, kapag papasok ka sa bahay, kadalasan iniiwan natin ang tsinelas sa labas. O ito, ang ating pintuan ay made of plywood lang yan. O nilagyan lang natin yan ng table cover. Ayan, gisi-gisi na nga din yung ating table cover. Ayan. Actually, wala yung pintuan dati. Pero since nag-extension, naglagay kami ng pintuan dyan.
So, come on dong, let's go inside. So, itong bed na to, dapat sa taas ito. Pero nung nagkasakit na, when Lolo Ponso and Lola Beata got sick, they move it down here. So, it's easy for them to, you know, because this is kotson. This kotson was purchased. Look. 19... I didn't, 2000 na niti. 2000, paghalin gihapon ni sa tubo.
19 forgotten. Ayan guys, naku, may sentimental value na naman. Kaya ginagamit pa rin namin hanggang ngayon.
So ito dear, do you still remember the TV gift?
For the tatay birthday.
This is your gift for Lolo Ponso and
Binili namin itong TV na ito, regalo ito nung birthday ng aking Lolo Ponso noong 2019, 'di ba? Tapos ang mga upuan natin ay ganyan made of kawayan. Ayan, naka-varnish, 'di ba? Magagandang klase 'yan, guys, ng mga upuan. Tara, punta tayo sa guest room.
So, let's go here. This is our guest room. Wow. As you can see, guest room. Ayan. Tapos nandito yung old, ano natin dong? Ano ko dong? Ang ating old drawer, Durabox. Ayan. Nandito yung mga lumang damit ni Lola.
Ipakita sa lulas tatay doon. Tara doon.
So this is Lola Beata and Lolo Ponso. Ayan. Tapos look on that side, there's trophy.
Ang kwento ng trophy na yan, I think second year high school ako noon. Sumali ako sa Miss Gay dito sa aming barangay. Yan lang din yung kauna-unahang pageant na sinalihan ko. At nanalo ata ako noon ng, kung matatandaan ko, 2,000 pesos. Tuwang-tuwa talaga ako noon kasi, syempre, anong yon 2001 or 2002. Malaking ano na yun, pera ang 2,000 pesos. O, di ba? Nagulat si Jan kasi hindi ko to na ano sa kanya nasabi. Ngayon lang niya nalaman.
The old picture of Lola Beata and Tatay Ponso. Ayan. Maybe 1960s or 50s. Wow, look at that. Very handsome and very guapa. Okay. Let's go here.
Time is not friendly.
It's not friendly. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is our living area. Before, this is our living area. But now there's a bed because Julius is staying here. Okay, let's go to the kitchen, ma. Yay! This is our kitchen. So, in the kitchen, Lola Beata used to sit here all the time. No? Because, add og tabako. Smoking.
Favorite spot talaga ito ng aking Lola Beata. Pagising sa umaga, tanghali, sa gabi, dito siya ang pahingahan niya. Dito siya mananabako. Ayan, dito sa area na ito. Ayan, nakakamiss talaga ang panahon. Wala na yung ginagamit niya na sanggot, guys. Meron niya siyang ginagamit na dupol na sanggot. Ewan ko kung nasaan na yun ngayon. Ay, namiss ko tuloy ang aking Lola Beata.
Afternoon. Favorite spot of Lola Beata. So, saan kami nagluluto? Dito kami nagluluto. Dear, ito yung aming pugon. This is what you call pugon. Build also 1990s. Ayan, this one. So, we have different kinds of lutuan here. This is our old takore. Ayan, old takore. Ako mas old ani mo. Tapos, this is our kulon. This is Lola Beata used to cook fish with this one. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang different, different hole for, small pot, big pot. You can adjust actually using this one, no? You can adjust using that one.
So, kanina ipinasilip din natin kay Jan kung paano kami mag-sindi, no? Nitong ating mga panggatong, kung paano kami magluto. Kadalasan talaga noong unang panahon, dito lang kami kahoy ang ginagamit namin dito sa pugon. Ayan, guys. Minsan naman, pag may uling sa labas, nagluluto kami. Pero kadalasan talaga, kahoy. Kasi nung buhay pa yung lolo ko, madalas talaga kung saan yun siya nakakaabot, guys, para manguha ng kahoy. Pero ngayon kasi parang wala na masyadong kahoy dito sa amin. So, minsan nakakabili ka naman sa bayan, no? Ng mga binugkos. So, ganito, magsisindi lang tayo ng kandila dito. And then, madalas talaga ang ginagamit namin noong unang panahon ay yung lumang tsinelas. Ayan, susunugin mo yan siya. And minsan naman karton, no? Pero kadalasan talaga tsinelas. Pag wala naman, meron naman kaming gumahan dito. Yung mga tira-tira na mga sa goma, guys. Yun ang ginagamit namin na panghaling ba? Para mabilis maano yung apoy, umapoy yung panggatong natin. O, diba? So, ganyan lang ang ginagawa. Ipinapakita namin kay Jan ang aming simpleng buhay sa probinsya. Minsan matagal lang talaga, kailangan ng patience. Itong paghaling, guys. Tapos meron din yang parang kawayan, no? na ginagamit natin para pang tie hook. 'Di ba? So ayan guys, patience is a virtue. Ganyan kapag maghaling ka ng kalayo. Ayan. So ayan, ilalagay natin diyan after few minutes. Mahaling na siya. O, di ba? So, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. May adjustan yan kapag maliit yung kaldero mo. Meron yung parang circle dyan. A-adjustan mo yan siya. Di ba? Yung hole niya. Tapos, ayan na guys. Ito yung mga panggatong natin. Nasa gilid lang. Ayan. Dear, do you want to try this one? Ayan, magta-try na din si Jan. 'Di ba? At least 'di ba, maranasan din ni Jan kung paano ang buhay namin dito sa probinsya noong unang panahon. Actually hanggang ngayon, ginagamit pa din namin ito. Okay, this is the very old basket. Very old. Like I'm still maybe
High school.
Oh,
Elementary pa di ba?
very old basket, Judir. As in, you can tell naman because there's a lot of agit-it. Na. So this is where we put our bulad, dried fish. Na. Dried fish. So you might wonder, sabi mo kanina dear, saan yung exhaust, saan yung chimney? This one, chimney. That one going there outside. Meron din tayong pinakitang painting kay John na likha ng mga kilalang pintor sa buong mundo. By Michelangelo.
You sure it's not Picasso?
Picasso, maybe Picasso. Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Look dear. Very old talaga, like 1990 siguro ni.
Picture of you?
No, it's a fruits.
Because of the kuano, no more picture.
Because of the because of the
Aso.
because of the aso
So
dear.
that in this is smoke.
Smoke.
So much smoke on the pictures.
So this is our sink. Ayan. Ay, wala nang banga.
Wala na.
The banga is gone. So there used to be banga here, the clay pot. There used to be a clay pot. So this is what we use here when we wash our dishes. We use this one. It's a bar, detergent bar. And then instead of sponge, we use uranay. This is not brief ha, or
Are you sure?
this is not underwear.
I think it says, I see,
Let me double check.
it says Hanes.
Ha? No, not Hanes. Not so N. Okay, this is okay. Confirm. This is a T-shirt. Okay.
Okay, if you say so.
Oy, sometimes Julius use sorry? Shampoo. Shampoo to wash the dishes. Ayan, so this is our faucet and our tray after you wash your. Make sure there's no cobra under.
Too late, you're already bitten.
So this one there, this is where we put our sugnod to make a fire. Wood for fire. What do you call that? Wood for fire.
Firewood.
Firewood. That's what you call.
Gasul.
Gasul put ang aso. This is a very old divider. Very old divider dear, as you can see, as you can tell, because parang mahugno na siya. So this is where we put our stuff, like all the pots, everything.
It looks like 3 babies. Yeah,
This is where we.
bunk beds.
Mm.
Looks like bunk bed.
Yeah. Bunk bed for baby. Baby Jude can stay here. So this is where we put our dishes, everything. Okay, so before we have this, we always keep this Nescafe. This is the oldest Nescafe because now it's
New shape.
This is the old Nescafe. This is where we store our sugar, our coffee, our leftover food because we don't have refrigerator. We don't have refrigerator. So for example, Lola Beata will cook food and then we will put it in here. This is our container. So it can, keep the food up to 7 days. Okay, so let's move to our shower room. Wow, this is our shower room.
now is
No longer used.
no
Stock
longer
room.
used. Stock room. Nandito na yung mga pala. and everything. Shower room. This one here is our bathroom. Ah, very small bathroom here. Ah, bathroom.
Still working.
Still working. Yes, the bathroom is still working. Okay, let's go. Ayan. This is where we store our palay, our harvest rice. So right now, this is actually Julius rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, looks like Julius, not failure. Kay 9 sacks man.
Duha na bay sa kapel to.
Ay, 9.
2,
Ah,
4,
oh,
6, 8,
11,
10,
12.
12, 14,
Oh, more than 10.
16, 17.
Oh, 17. Wow, Julius, congratulations. So this is the old clothes dong of Lola.
Hmm?
Lola and Lola. There's another TV, oh. But that's not working anymore. Hmm. Na old clothes.
Plug it in.
Maybe it will buto-buto there. Okay, let's go. Okay, tapos na tayo sa kitchen natin. Okay, are you ready for the most exciting part, dear?
Yes.
This is the second floor. Mayaman talaga kami, dear. We are rich. Because we have second floor. So this is the original stairs. And be careful because...
Because?
no, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Okay, welcome to our second floor. We will be quick because it's very
Init.
hot in here. Okay. First mo na makikita, dear, naka-jealousy na ito, dear, but this is really made of original, the original window is like that, oh. You will use a wood
Atong gas man hinamon yung bisaog.
to open, just like in the kitchen. Okay, so, this one is that really the original,
But it has a lever.
not the original wall
It has a
anymore.
lever.
Yes. Okay, so
Oh, the
in here,
original
dear,
These are replacement windows.
replacement windows, yes. Okay, don't show this one. This is the wall. I used to decorate here. There was a dog in here. So we don't have the capacity to buy paintings and everything. So I just cut from the books. From the books or magazine, I just cut and then put it in here. So this this is a wedding. I don't know. This is my original. I put it in here. A wedding picture. Do you know what this one is?
Yeah, it's a gas lantern.
Yes, gas lantern. We call it Petromax. This is very
Gas
old.
lantern.
1980s. or
It's a lot of heat.
1950 pa
50s, 1950s. As you can see there, this is where you put. This is where used because there was no electricity back then. No electricity. So all these plugs, 2000 something when we first have electricity. This one here, look. Look. Oh, look, this is very old, as you can see. Old switch. So this is where I stay. This is my room before. So the bed,
Wait, basta buglasot si Jan dito.
careful in there
Be careful,
because
Jan.
it's like in
No, I
the
can feel.
old house.
I watch on step. I'll
Okay.
walk on
So
the,
dito,
the nails.
My bed dito dati, yung bed sa baba, dito yung nakalagay at ako ang natutulog dito dati. I'm the one sleeping here before.
Ang all instrument.
Ah, that one! Look, that one. Ipakita mo dong. That's the old instrument. It's a musical instrument. Who can guess? What is this musical instrument? Mag-guess nyo ba ito, guys?
Mana
Parang
magtuyok.
may plaka ito
Mana
dati.
magtuyok niya. Baba.
This is the one. Ipakita dong. Na, yan yung magtuyok-tuyok. Na, I don't know what's the instrument called.
Muna yung magkuhan guro.
Oh,
Where do you put a record on there?
yeah, the plaka, the disc.
Big desk.
Okay, dear. Let's
Phonograph.
move to the. This is what you call cordiso, dear. I remember before there's a lot of coins in here. So when Lola Biata, sometimes they're not giving me money. Sometimes I get money from here.
Maybe it's still
Coins.
there. Did you check?
Sometimes there's money like 1 peso, so I get it. So this is the original. Let's see. Okay, it's good. Yeah. Okay.
Tugas na ni.
This is the original floor. Do you know? This is the original floor.
1950s pag ini
So when we were kids, dear,
we used to sleep here. Lolo Ponso, Lola Beata, and
Ikaw.
me and Julius. No, I think Ate Angging, nakatry pa ka dito eh?
Oo, nakatry ko din eh.
Mhm. And before dear, actually, there's hagdan yan.
Hagdan and downstairs.
There's supposed to be
Stairs outside.
stairs. Here, going downstairs. No? Diba? Karon wala na. So it's a very memorable house. Very memorable house. And this house, no? Has a signal. Wow.
I know. Amazing.
That's why I think we're planning to move here. We will have to renovate this house and then we can stay here. Maybe Ate Robelin also when she's here having a vacation.
I don't know. Maybe they're sentimental.
Yeah,
Don't change anything.
very sentimental, but it's okay. You know, this is very old
Mm-hmm.
poste.
Very
Wow,
old.
very
Very
old.
old.
Ha?
Don't tap
Very
it
old.
too much.
No.
Yeah. Don't hit
Kaya
it.
nga.
Don't touch it too much.
Wow, it's very, parang bumalik sa akin ang nakaraan. Dito kami natutulog.
Huwag kang iiyak.
Kumakain.
Huwag kang iiyak.
Dito kami kumakain pala minsan, dear. This is where we eat also. Okay, let's go down na. Sobrang sarap talagang balikan ang nakaraan. Ayan, reminiscing the moment, the past tayo. Of course, kasama si John, ang aking partner. And kahit pa paano, di ba, nalaman niya kung saan ako lumaki, o saan ako tumira, ganito ang buhay namin dati. Ayan, na-miss ko tuloy ang aking lolo, pinakamamahal na lolo at Lola Beata. Ayan, so pagkatapos ng house tour natin, nagpe-prepare na din sila for lunch. Meron tayo diyang mga sinugbang isda, at marami pang iba. Okay, so dear, this is the tamarind tree. Isa ito sa napakalumang puno na tinanim ng aking Lolo Ponso. I think nasa 50 years na mahigit ang sampalok na ito. Kaya namangha din talaga si John. Ipinasilip ko din kay John ang lumang garden ng aking lula. Dito talaga siya palagi. You notice dear, this is very old. So that's where he hangs the orchids.
Right.
The old trunk. Oh? Oh? Hala. And as you notice dear, see there's still some plants in it. Ay, dear, this is good for the health. Ginseng. Na.
So how do you?
Good for Anduay.
Oh, there's a lot of dragon fruit there. Dragon fruit.
Only this one's blooming.
So this is Lola Beata's old garden. And I can still remember only the fireball. This one. It's been here forever. Fireball. Fireballs. Na. So this is the goat's house. Let's see dear if there is some egg in the pugaran. Nothing.
No kugaran.
Ay, maybe there. Ha? Hala, sabi ni John, raisins daw. Parang nga siyang raisins, no? Ayun, no? Wow, or blackberry. No? Dito kasi ang Dear, this is our old radio. AM, FM radio. No. No more battery. At pagkatapos ng house tour guys, sa kainan na tayo kasama ang ating pamilya. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Balak pala namin ni John na i-renovate itong aming lumang bahay. Ayan, para sa susunod, pwede na kaming magstay dito kapag magbabakasyon kami ni John sa Pilipinas. Excited na ba kayo sa magiging renovation ng ating lumang bahay? Abangan yan sa mga susunod na vlog. Thank you so much for watching!